Now, so here what happened actually, no parameter implementation, no parameter lambda expression. See, normally we need to write the code like this. Okay, after interface declaration, one abstract method, then under the main method we need to write the code like this. Okay, I have omitted this lambda expression, put in comment section. So I need to write the code like this. Means object to be created for the interface student P is an object, and that method for this abstract method body created here. This is the abstract method, this is the abstract method. For that method body is created here. Okay, after that method called. So now you implement this one, you will get this output. Okay, hello world, because this is normal default statement. You put this in comment section. So if you compile this one, you will get hello world. Okay, hello world is now in your lambda. This is without lambda, okay, expression. Now for this lambda implementation, you omit the code from here to here, up to here. Okay, so within the method lambda expression will be implemented. So student P object is equal to, this is omitted, and within the parameters here token is added to connect the body. Within the body and this, okay, within the body the statement I have kept, because return because it is a string type. Where is that? So if it is void, you remove this return. Okay, now you open this comments. Okay, now you keep this one under the comment section. Okay, now this much code. Okay, I have simplified the code by lambda expression. This is okay. This is the simplified code. Okay, so now if it is giving error, keep it as return. Okay, student P, return means it is to be kept as string, because string is being returned here. The string is being returned here. Okay, that's why it is giving error. Okay, you compile this code. Now hello, how are you? You want to get, you are getting like this. This is what your lambda single parameter lambda implementation. So how the code is omitted, I have explained. Okay, now we are going to implement single parameter lambda expression. So same thing, nothing to do. Your class interface name is student. This is one method, that is method is return type. Okay, string, it will return the string. Okay, now if it is return type, it returns the string. This is the string. Okay, nothing to do, everything is same. Now this is what somewhat string type. We will pass in parameter a string here. Okay, string, suppose name. Okay, I have passed name here. Then after come here, you pass the name because that parameter. Okay, now it becomes single parameter. Okay, now you do one thing in single parameter. Okay, now it returns what, this one. Okay, this one it returns. Now within this, that name to be added. Which name? Already it is giving helper, VS Code helping us. Okay, this parameter to be added here. Okay, now everything is okay. Now here in this method it is giving error. We need to pass that parameter. What is that parameter? Name for what? We need to pass here any string. It returns what? String always in double quotation marks. Suppose Vasu, if we have passed Vasu. Okay, now everything is okay. Now try to compile this one. Hello, how are you, Vasu? Okay, hello, how are you, Vasu? What we did here, try to understand. This is what? Single parameter lambda expression. So before that, zero parameter, it returns only string. It returns only what string? Hello, how are you? Okay, hello, how are you? It returns only, because return, I have kept the return keyword. When return keyword will be kept here, if it is not return type, it is just void type, so that moment this return to be removed here. Okay. But whenever here any string integer kept means it returns, this method returns something. Okay, returns what? So that moment you need to say that it returns. Return keyword we need to keep here. So it returns a string. Okay, in zero parameter lambda expression returns some string. Okay, so return keyword must be. Now here in bracket I passed a parameter. Now this method must return its name is Vasu. Okay, along with this statement. Okay, now not everything is same, simply we have put a extra parameter, string parameter here. Now within the code, that name I have passed in the brackets, that name, everything is same. For just I have added that parameter name. Now for this I have passed the value here. Now it becomes what? Single parameter lambda expression. Nothing to change, everything is okay. Single parameter. Okay, so now let us see that so now what happened? Suppose it is what I have passed, suppose in place of string int. Okay, and the parameter passed as age. Now it is return type, it is not void. Before that here string was there, so string will be returned. Now we are expecting that integer will be returned. So this parameter passed in your, this is what our lambda expression parameter brackets. Okay, after that age parameter return keyword, after return keyword it returns what? Some 5. I have put this. Okay, plus age, because that a, for this age value will be argument passed whenever we are calling that method. There is this method, whenever we are calling that method, so one string type of data I kept here. Your age is the 45, this will be added with 5. Okay, total we will get the age as your age is 50. So now this is what? Return type, integer return type here. This is integer return type. Before that here string was there. Okay, that string, in place of string I have kept int. Okay, so it returns integer. Okay, one integer it returns plus the parameter age. So that age I have passed here for this value whenever we are calling here. Okay, 45. So that is what this is called integer return type. Okay, now see, same thing, this is called what? Single parameter lambda expression. How this lambda expression implemented? So up to this, from it is okay, student P, after that